And did the mother accused of killing and burying her little boy try to get help just hours before he died? Good evening. We've learned that Tiffany Toribio went to the police substation at Coronado Center with her 3-year-old son, Tyrus.
That was on May 12th. APD confirms that she tried to turn herself in that night for an outstanding traffic warrant. Now, police say there's a good reason why they did not arrest Toribio that night, just hours before her son was killed. But her lawyer says there is something they should have done. Here's News 13's Maria Medina.
Dick, Toribio was in Metro Court this afternoon to face a charge that she failed to pay a traffic fine last year. Her public defender told the judge she was reaching out for help when she went to police. That prompted an outspoken response from APD.
Atrocious, to say the very least, and deplorable.
Albuquerque police spokesperson John Walsh says it's an attempt to take the blame off their only suspect in Ty Toribio's murder.
On Tuesday, May 12th, Ms. Toribio attempted to turn herself in at the Coronado Mall substation for this warrant for failure to pay fines.
But when police say they didn't find the arrest warrant, Toribio's lawyer claims the mother clearly reached out for help.
She had indicated that she had nowhere to go.
Walsh says officers gave Toribio information on help for mothers and children in need, but she refused to take it and left. The next morning, police believe she killed her son and buried him at the playground they'd spent the night at.
Same versus Tiffany Toribio.
Toribio's attorney, Lee Hood, believes police could have done more. She told News 13, quote, if police offered her services and they're saying she didn't want the services, and if they saw her with a little boy, why didn't they call CYFD? They have a duty to call CYFD or at least keep her there until a social worker arrived, end quote. Walsh responded with, quote, there is no duty. We can't hold somebody because there was no probable cause to do so, end quote.
We need to concentrate on the most important thing at hand, and that is that this child was killed by this person that's being held responsible.
Now, Metro Court does not enter traffic bench warrants into the national database police look at to search for arrest warrants. Walsh says even if the arrest warrant was there, it would not necessarily mean they would have arrested Toribio. Back to you.
All right, Maria, police arrested Tiffany Toribio nearly a week after Ty's body was found. Investigators say that in the days leading up to the murder, friends and family had kicked them out because they didn't like how she was treating the boy.